This video will be advice on how to buy a laptop and some tips on using public Wi-Fi. Buying a laptop can be complex. It's easy to get tricked on buying a pretty screen or buying high-end features that you're really not going to use. Here is a list of some important points to consider when buying a laptop. How is it going to be used, the screen size and the weight, the RAM, the operating system, the processors, and the price. In this video, we're going to touch on each of these points, explain them in a little bit of detail, and hopefully this helps. An important thing when buying a laptop is to not overpay for features you're not going to use. Different stores may have different prices for the same laptop, so it's a good idea to cross-check the prices at different stores before deciding to buy one. Some stores to check out for prices of a laptop include Best Buy, Walmart, and Amazon. They tend to have an extensive selection of different laptops, some more than others. So checking the same laptop at multiple stores would be a good idea to see if one may be cheaper at one store than another. Laptops come in many sizes and are designed for numerous uses. These can be more simple or light uses or larger and more demanding ones. The light uses include using the internet, checking email, or using social media. More demanding ones include photo editing, video production, or the use of more sophisticated graphics. So when shopping for a laptop, it is important to first lay out what the purpose of the laptop is going to be used for, so you're not overpaying for features you're not going to use, or you buy a laptop that is not going to be able to do what you need it to do. Laptop sizes range from 11.6 to 17.3 inches. A smaller screen is ideal if portability is a priority. They tend to be thinner and lighter than other types of laptops, though. A larger screen is ideal for gaming, watching movies, and photo and video editing. The large screen can increase the overall size, weight, and power consumption of that laptop. Two important features when buying a laptop to consider are RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. More RAM allows for more applications to be run at the same time, meaning a faster computer. And ROM is read-only memory, which is the permanent storage of a computer. An important feature to consider when buying a laptop is the operating system. Some operating system choices include Windows, Macs, Chromebooks, or Linux. Each operating system has its own strengths, and different people have different preferences. If you are unsure which operating system you want, it is a good idea to go to different stores and look at the display laptops in the store to help make a better choice. And also research is always a good option to look at all of them, see what people say in the reviews. All these things are good options to look at before buying a laptop. Processors are like the brain of the laptop. Most laptops feature an Intel or AMD processor. A core is the basic computation unit of the CPU. A CPU can have a single or multiple cores. Without going into a lot of detail, the higher number of cores, the faster a certain program runs in a computer. So this is also an important feature to look at and to ask questions about when buying a laptop. Just some general tips and advice on using public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi is commonly available in stores, businesses, and schools, etc. And they're usually offered by the company to their customers. This Wi-Fi can be offered for free as an added benefit provided to customers, or can be given access to with the price of a one-time purchase. The pros of using public Wi-Fi include that it can be free or cheap to use, and it can be faster than personal at-home Wi-Fi. The cons include potential access to personal bank accounts, emails, and other information, and the Wi-Fi could be slow if many people are using it at the same time. Some safety measures when using public Wi-Fi are consider using public Wi-Fi where staff need to give a password. This is slightly safer than using a totally free Wi-Fi. Having antivirus software installed on computers. This can help stop any possible or some possible viruses from getting on computers. Turning off Bluetooth when not in use. Use a personal Wi-Fi hotspot with a set password of your own choosing, or wait to use personal at-home Wi-Fi. This video was about buying a laptop and using public Wi-Fi. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for your time.